Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to set stop loss and take profit in trading. Setting stop loss and take profit levels is a crucial aspect of trading as it helps you manage risk and maximize your profits. Firstly, let's understand what stop loss and take profit are. A stop loss is an order that automatically closes your trade when it reaches a certain price level, limiting your potential loss. On the other hand, a take profit is an order that automatically closes your trade when it reaches a certain price level, securing your profit. To set a stop loss, you need to determine the maximum amount you are willing to lose on a trade. A general rule of thumb is to set your stop loss at a level that is 2 to 3% below your entry price for a long position, and 2 to 3% above your entry price for a short position. For example, if you buy a stock at $100, you can set your stop loss at $98. This means that if the stock price falls to $98, your trade will be automatically closed, limiting your loss to $2. To set a take profit, you need to determine the minimum amount you want to earn on a trade. A general rule of thumb is to set your take profit at a level that is 5 to 10% above your entry price for a long position, and 5 to 10% below your entry price for a short position. For example, if you buy a stock at $100, you can set your take profit at $110. This means that if the stock price rises to $110, your trade will be automatically closed, securing your profit of $10. It's also important to consider the concept of risk to reward ratio when setting your stop loss and take profit levels. This ratio determines the potential profit of a trade compared to its potential loss. A good risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2, meaning that for every dollar you risk, you aim to earn $2. Best practices for setting stop loss and take profit include regularly reviewing and adjusting your levels, considering market volatility and trends, and avoiding setting your levels too close to your entry price. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your risk and maximize your profits in trading.